What's up, YouTube? It's Cody. Back on the Z. I was sick for like a week and a half. What we doing now is that we getting ready to install everything. Getting ready to put everything on. Leaves are everywhere. It's fall, so they got leaves everywhere. But what we did last night, dropped the transmission. Got that done. Took the clutch, the flywheel, all that off. I'm getting the flywheel resurfaced. Dropped the power steering rack. It's just hanging right now. Ran our lines that we need for the turbos. We don't mind this, it's just there for temporary use. Changed out the oil pan. We also changed the upper, I guess it would be called, oil pan. Got some more lines. I don't know if y'all could see right here. Ran from this right here. So yeah, that's what we did last night. Now what we're doing is replacing taking off the exhaust studs, the exhaust manifold studs, so that way we could put the new ones on. Okay, so we looked on YouTube, there's no videos whatsoever. So what we're doing is we use this right here, which is, we just so happen to have one. It's an E8. Okay, it's kind of like this. You got this right here. Bam, dead on it. And these are really not that hard. Hit it up with some PB Blaster. Doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Come on, you. Okay, struggling. It's okay. I'll figure it out. Bam! Got it. Bam! Okay. Put it back on. Really easy. Really easy. There it goes. And you're done. There you go. So, not too bad. Get this all the way out. What we have to do is, on the driver's side, we have to remove the top 3 bolts, or studs, whatever you want to call them, the exhaust manifold studs. Got to remove all 3 of them at the top. Then on the passenger side, which we already did, you only have to remove the back 2. So not too shabby, not too bad. Yeah, so just a little update. We're gonna keep working. Thank you. Later.